There are three that we're going to concentrate on today. S, S, Ed, and Mr. Ing, Mr. Ing, Mr. ING. We want to get used to reading these word endings quickly. We don't want to spend a lot of time sounding out our word endings. So here is a word look. I can change this to looks. I can change this to looked, looked, and I can change it to looking. When I am sounding out these words, if I can recognise quickly these word endings, that will help me be a lot faster with my reading. Okay, here's another example. Here are three words. This one is book, books. This one here is book. Oh, here's that word ending ing. Book, ing, booking. And here we have, oh, this word's got a d sound at the end. An E and a D makes that d sound. Here's my word again, book, booked. Ah, booked. So when we're reading, if we can recognise the endings quickly, we're going to be much smarter. We're looking for the d, the ing, and the s sound on words so that we can read those words very, very quickly.